Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cindy and I make all kinds of beauty content. So if that's what you like, then please subscribe. Today we got another Freaky Friday and I had a subscriber send me this palette. It came from Amazon, and if you look at it, it's got all these different colors in it, but they all have a black base to them. Anyway, I'm going to read you the description of it so you can know what it is. It says, here's the package that came in. It's called Midnight Masquerade, a spectrum of black. Midnight Masquerade features 21 shades of black, each infused with a subtle color shift from warm amber and olive to cool blue and violet, with seven matte, 7 soft shimmers, and 7 high impact shimmers. This palette lets you build smoky looks with depth, dimension, and artistry. One palette every black. And then it kind of gives some instructions, you know, if you need tips on doing a black look. It doesn't, this real fine print, it's kind of hard to see even with glasses. And anyway, whatever, we're going to do our own thing. Okay, I'm a little bit nervous, but let's get this started. We're going to use this little purple trio down here. I'm not going to mix into any other colors today. We might another day. We might have another Freaky Friday where we do blue or green or something. But today is purple. And so like this is the shade I'm going to come with, and all these little mats, they all look really similar. And I'm going to stick this right here in the crease. It's kind of covering up the purple I added anyway, or the lavender. So, and I'm not going to make this super dark yet. I might do some, you know, accent dark. Y'all know how I like to darken up the corners. We could do a halo. We've done cat eyes several times this week and no halo. Maybe we'll do a halo today. I don't know. I'm kind of going far to the top with this big brush. So I'm wiping some of this off at the near the brow. I'm just going to blend this in some more. I'm not used to using these super dark colors, but we're all darkened up more. Then the next thing I'm gonna do is take a smaller brush for sure. I might first take a little bit more blending just in the crease. Try to be careful, stay in the crease though. That's what I'm gonna do, because I don't like stuff all the way to my eyebrow. That is just too 70s. When we was just learning to do makeup. I'm just trying to get the stuff off. That looks kind of gray next to my brow. Okay, I'm getting pretty smoky. Okay, so let's start with this, not the high impact shimmer, the other shimmer here in this corner. It's a purple color. When I first saw this on Amazon, I thought these was actual different colors, just dark. But, you know, it says it's black with just little U's. So I'm not seeing a whole lot of difference between this color and the one we just laid down. There might be a little bit more purple in it. And this brand is Tintark. It's the same one that did that Galaxy palette that I need to use again that my subscriber got me. What else did they got me? That subscriber, they got me the Wizard of Oz palette too. I don't know if they've got me anything else. And I can't remember it all. Pretty smoky, guys. Hopefully we can get some of that messiness up when we clean up. With just 3 colors, you'd think it'd just be a cinch to put this on. But no, this black gets everywhere. Anyway, let's see if we can blend a little bit more. I am seeing some purple shine through here. Okay, let's work on this shimmer. Let's see the high impact shimmer. Okay, so I'm going to take a flatter brush and I'm going to do this high impact shimmer. So this was definitely not what the directions said to do. They wanted you to do like cat eye type. And it definitely took some building up because there was some patchiness. It was kind of thin. So we did ours different. We did a halo. So far, this is what it's looking like. I'm going to do a little bit more blending with some of these brushes that we got started. See if we can clean this up. So this is looking more purple. That's good. The more we blend, and I'm going to try not to put anything else on the brush because I don't want it to get too dark. The only time we'll put more on the blush, hopefully, is some shimmer. I'm going to put just a little bit more shimmer on. Get that real good. Okay, so, I mean, it's dark, but it's not that bad. I've definitely worn dark before, unintentionally. I'm just going to take some translucent, or my skin color, translucent, and put over here. I definitely like having a difference between the eyebrow and the lid. Back when we was young, we used to just take it all the way up to the eyebrow. I don't know if it's because we didn't know any better or if that was the style. The blue, remember the blue? Okay, so I got a ColourPop. This is one of those duochrome. So it's a little bit different shade of purple, but it kind of matches the shimmer. I'm gonna take my little brush, and on this darkest purple, I'm gonna darken up the edges a little bit where I just laid down the purple. Okay, we're gonna darken up just a little bit more down here at the bottom. It's a little bit brighter than the others, so we're gonna put a little bit of this dark matte shade on, dusted on there. So this is what we got so far, but hopefully it's gonna clean up good. Okay, so let's use some eyeliner right now. So, okay, it's not that bad. I've definitely had it darker or as dark. Now we're just gonna use black mascara today. Everything black. Okay, I'm gonna just stamp a little bit of this purple under my eye before I finish. Because this is just a little bit brighter. Okay, let's take these off. Let's see if we can clean this up. Okay, got a little bit of cleaning up to do. Not much. We got nice cream. We got nice crisp lines. Let's use our favorite bronzer. Okay, let's use this blush, dark, like our eyes. Alrighty, we're going to use our Eclipse highlighter from the ColourPop Eclipse collection. For our lips, we're just going to do the same thing we did yesterday. I'm going to use this little tiny pencil. And some gloss. Now let's spray it all in. Okay, so would you look at this? I've almost hit pan on part of it. So I've used it a bunch. Okay, so here you go. Let me know in the comments. Do you like this look? Do y'all want me to see me do another look? What would you like? Would you like kind of these browns or green or blue? Just whatever you like. We will definitely do another Freaky Friday with something. So anyway, thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe and give me a like and a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.